Is a computer science degree still worth it in 2025? Once upon a time, a computer science degree was your golden ticket to the tech industry. Fast forward to 2025, and things aren't so clear-cut anymore. With AI advancing at warp speed and online learning resources booming, you might be wondering, do I still need a computer science degree to succeed in tech? Let's explore the answer. The rise of AI. Helper or job killer? AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot have changed the game. By 2025, they're helping developers write, debug, and optimize code faster than ever. Sounds like a dream, right? But there's a catch. An MIT study found that while AI can handle repetitive tasks, it still struggles with nuanced problem-solving, ethical dilemmas, and understanding user needs. In other words, AI is great at assisting, but it's not ready to replace the creativity and critical thinking of a skilled developer. Is a computer science degree still relevant? Let's face it, college isn't cheap, and spending 4 years earning a degree can feel like a lifetime in the fast-paced tech world. But don't write it off just yet. Why a computer science degree still matters. Foundational knowledge. You'll master the building blocks like algorithms, databases, and systems architecture. Higher earnings. Studies show CS grads earn about 40% more in their early careers compared to non-STEM grads. Networking and internships. Universities offer connections and opportunities that online courses often lack. Self-taught routes. Do they measure up? For those who love diving into projects and learning on their own, self-study has never been easier. Platforms like Coursera, Free Code Camp, and Codecademy offer affordable or even free ways to gain skills. Coding boot camps are also great for jump-starting a career in months instead of years. When self-study works best, you're disciplined and motivated. You're working toward roles where portfolios matter more than diplomas, like front-end development or app design. You want to save money. College tuition isn't for everyone. The hybrid model, the best of both worlds. Consider blending the two paths. Take Sam, a software engineer who started with free online tutorials. When they hit a wall with complex topics like data structures, they enrolled in a part-time computer science degree. The mix of hands-on experience and academic knowledge helped Sam land a dream job at a tech giant. What employers really care about? The demand for skilled developers is still growing, by 22% over the next decade, according to McKinsey. However, the hiring process is changing. Proof of skills. Think GitHub repositories, coding portfolios, or real-world projects. Continuous learning, certifications, and ongoing education show adaptability in a fast-evolving field. So, is a computer science degree worth it in 2025? It depends. A degree is still valuable, especially for foundational skills and networking, but it's no longer the only path to a tech career. Whether you go to college, teach yourself, or combine both, focus on building skills, solving real-world problems, and staying flexible. Remember, the best way to future-proof your career isn't just earning a degree, it's staying curious and learning continuously.